Welcome to 2020 West Union Hills Unit 246, located in North Phoenix. If you're looking for an amazing condo unit, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,000 square feet, this is definitely going to be a unit for you. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh Zuniga, your local real estate specialist here within Scottsdale and Phoenix, Arizona. Before we go inside, I want to give you a little bit of insight on exactly why this property would be the one for you. One of the most wonderful things I actually love about this property is that you're actually going to get a one-car garage with this unit. If you're here within Phoenix, you're going to find out very quickly that a lot of the units you actually have are going to be carports. Here, you're actually going to get a one-car garage with this property, which is going to be a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. And one of the most important things that I love is the freeway access. You're literally 2 minutes in any direction from one of the freeways. You have the I-17, you have the Loop 101. Just 5 minutes away from us, you have the Deer Valley Town Center, where you can have your AMC, you're gonna have your Target, you're gonna have all your shops, you can have your centers. And then additionally, if you go 15 minutes north to Norterra, that's exactly where I live, near Union Park, you're gonna have all your major shopping centers again. You're gonna have your Lowe's, you're gonna have your Walmart, you're gonna have your Harkins there as well. Amazing shops. If you love Greek food, make sure you stop by Pita Jungle. That's absolutely one of my favorites. If you're looking for pizza, make sure you stop by Sauce. And if you're looking for a little bit more of a mall experience, you're literally 20 minutes away from Arrowhead Town Center. That's gonna be our largest mall that we have located here. And there's tons to do around here for the kids and the family. If it's in the summer like it is right now, you can go to Wet n Wild over here just off of Pinnacle Peak and have a wonderful time for the entire family. But enough with that. Follow me on the inside and I'll show you the property. All right, guys, again, welcome to the inside. We have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,000 square feet. Again, we are located right off of the I-17. This is a wonderful space. If you're looking to do something for a rental, or if it's gonna be your first home as a primary residence, it's definitely a good start for your condo. As you can see here, we have vaulted ceilings. You don't get this many options as far as vaulted ceilings, especially here within Arizona. So to have this is gonna be a real treat. We have some really good updates that we had to the actual property here. Here you'll actually have your dining. We have our quartz countertops here. We have updated cabinets all the way throughout the entire kitchen. We have our new black stainless steel appliances. We also have a new washer dryer here from Maytag, every laundry room as well. One cool feature that you don't see very much is right over here. Right here is going to be your access. We are on the 2nd story. You walk down there and you get your 1-car garage, okay? Huge deal, especially if you wanted things for like storage. People just start accumulating things. So having that additional storage unit, or if you just want to use it for your car, is a really good thing to have, especially here within Arizona. Here you'll see the guest bedroom. We do have updated windows throughout the property here as well. This is a really good sized bedroom. You have your closet here, and then follow me this way. We'll go into your secondary bathroom. Secondary bathroom is going to be right here. Apologize, the power's not on, it's a little dark in here, but you do have a shower tub combo here, and over here you're gonna have your master. Masters are really good size. One thing I really love about this too is that you do have a balcony off here. Once we get into the nice weather for the summer months, you're gonna have a nice balcony out here. Plenty of space if you want to have coffee, or if you just want to hang out, maybe have a glass of wine and cheese, maybe even breakfast. Another good addition of this property as well. Here, you will have an updated master bathroom. We have our double vanities here. We have our new mirror this way. And here, which is really wonderful, we have our big walk-in shower, as you can see here. And again, if you're looking for a wonderful unit that's located right off of the I-17, where you have access to the freeway, you can be in East Valley or West Valley within a snap of a finger. And if you're looking for something that's gonna be under $300,000, we are priced at $295,000. So if you're interested, please let me know. You can reach out to us at info@joshzuniga.com, or you can go to my website at joshzuniga.com. Anything that we can do to help you and your family, make sure that we can serve you, make sure to reach out to us. But until then, we'll see you on the next video. Take care, guys.